Wix Studio Text on Path tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a text on path on your Wix Studio website. The process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over wix.com and sign in for an account. After you have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very easy. We're going to select the website that have the label of Wix Studio on it. In case that you do not see on your site's dashboard here Wix Studio label like this one, for example, or that one, you can go ahead and create a new site by clicking on here and select Wix Studio. Try Wix Studio just like that. Now, after you have selected your Wix Studio website, it is going to take you to the Wix Studio dashboard, of course. You're going to wait for a few seconds, and after that, we're going to be on the dashboard. Now, after we have been here, we are going to click directly on the dashboard on Edit, Site, or Design Site. I'm going to wait for a few seconds. You're going to find it on the Setup or the Home page. This is the blue button. When you click on it, it is going to take a little bit of time to load up the content of the website because the Wix Studio is going to be a heavy editor. So we're going to be here, head over the left side of the screen, click on Add Elements. From the Add Elements, we are going to head over the text. On the type of the text, we are going to find text styles, collapsible text, marquee, text mask, and on or text on path. We're going to select text on path. Basically, it is going to be a path where you are going to have a specific shape, and this shape could be a number or a letter, and you can go ahead and have it also as a moving line, for example, like that. And it is going to be a moving, as you can see, with animation text. You're going to add your specific text, for example, like that. I can go ahead and have it just like this, and we can change the text if we want. For example, add another text, have maybe some the option. We have the option to choose the path. For example, we can go ahead and have it just like this, like that, whatever, and you can go ahead and have it as a line just like that. So you can go ahead and set up the animation of the text. As you can see, you can add an entrance to it, do whatever you want. You can have the color of the text changed, or not the color. The color of the text is going to be something that you're going to have also. And do not forget that we have a background for this ribbon or this path, so it is going to be okay to adjust the thickness just as much as you want. Set up the text position, the type of it, the size, the font, or the color, whatever. You can go ahead and have to adjust the margins, add an anchor, and here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.